Good afternoon, everyone. I'm meteorologist Danielle Kozlowski. I'm here with RotoCurve to give you guys the weather update for this Monday evening for the Major League Baseball game. Like I mentioned out on Twitter earlier this morning, there are quite a lot of weather problems going on with the games we have tonight. Good news is most of them will probably just be off and on rain delays. However, that will obviously throw a wrench in things. So I want you guys to be aware of all of that is what's going on. So basically, number one and number two priorities, games that are most likely to get delayed for a few hours and indefinitely postponed are Detroit and St. Louis. So I'm showing up the Detroit area radar right now. So you can see there is kind of this giant mess of storms up there in northern Indiana and southern Michigan, and that will be pretty much ongoing throughout the evening. So Detroit is most likely to get postponed, and I hate to say it, but St. Louis probably also is as well. Here is the St. Louis radar. As you can see, it's a huge, widely area of scattered thunderstorms. It's kind of what they dealt with yesterday afternoon, and the game ended up getting postponed. This is kind of inevitable when you really can't really forecast a specific time when all these storms will be out of the area. So we'll keep our fingers crossed, and hopefully it'll just be a delay. But at this point, it's not looking very likely. So I'll definitely keep you guys updated on that. Now, the other ones that I have for you guys to also keep an eye out on are Chicago. Sorry about this. Are Chicago, Pittsburgh, the Mets game, Boston, and Texas. And so what's going to happen for Chicago is we're probably going to have those off and on rain delays. We're hoping that the storm should clear out before the game starts. However, we might not get that lucky. So I'll keep you guys updated on that. Pittsburgh, kind of also the same thing. Maybe a late start. There's not much on the radar out there as of right now. But obviously the game starts in about 3 hours, so we'll have to keep an eye out on that. The Mets game really shouldn't be that much of an issue, I don't think. I think that one storm that's kind of hanging out there right now in the area will be gone by game time for sure. Boston and Texas are even less of an issue. Boston's very, very light rain showers, so they should be able to play through those no problem. And for Texas, at Arlington, we are going to see pop-up summertime thunderstorms like we do here in the southeast that we have to worry about for, the Braves games a lot. So those will kind of just be hit or miss and, might be like a short 20, 30-minute rain delay there at Texas, but nothing. The game won't get played, so that won't be a problem. So definitely Detroit and St. Louis are the ones that you guys are going to want to really do some major thinking on, because those just don't look good whatsoever. And I will definitely keep you guys updated. If you have any questions, like always, reach out to me on Twitter at WeatherDFS, and I will be happy to answer any of your questions. And I would like to wish everybody good luck tonight.